This video will save you 10 or more years of your life from being wasted. Here's why. We spend an unbelievable amount of time on our phones. The average person spends 4 hours a day staring at their screen. You might think 4 hours isn't that much, right? But when you add up those hours, it's become clear how much time that really is. Just calculate on your phone. 4 hours a day, 365 days. It's equal 1460 hours per year. If you're now 20 years old and live, let's say, to 80 years, it's average life expectancy, and you spend those 4 hours daily on your phone for 60 years, you would have spent 87,600 hours, and it's equal 10 years of your life. Imagine over just 10 years spent staring on your screen. TikTok, Reddit, Instagram and other. Just think about what you can do with all that time. Maybe travel, read books, play interesting games, meet with friends, become professional in some field, or enjoy your hobby. This is way better than doom scrolling for half a day. Do you remember the last 10 TikTok videos that you watched 20 minutes ago? Me? No. But I'm sure you can remember the last nice trip to a new country or interesting book. And in this video I want to share how you can reduce your screen time with just a simple couple steps. The 6 steps to cut your phone time. First one. Install a Screen Zen app. With this app you can restrict apps and websites. You can create a flexible schedule for apps which you can use the most. Turn on silent mode. Flip that little switch on your phone to silent notifications and put your phone to don't disturb mode. This prevents unnecessary dings and distractions, allowing you to stay focused during important activities like family time, work or study. Or you can set up custom modes like work, reading or sleep on iPhone. It must be something similar on Android too. This is the hardest but most impactful step. If you're serious about cutting your phone time, this is the best option. Remove the apps you spend the most time on. Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, Snapchat and mobile games. But if you use social media apps for your work or business, try to limit that with Screen Zen. I'm pretty sure there is a lot of different apps like Screen Zen, but this is free and I'm just using it. Disable notifications for apps you don't need updates from. Many notifications are just distractions, feeding you unimportant information. For messaging apps, turn off lock screen notifications and enable page notifications instead. This way you will see the number of unread messages without constant distractions. Extra. Use grayscale mode. Activate the grayscale color filter under accessibility, display and text size. This might seem extreme, but without color your phone becomes much less interesting. It will feel weird first, but helps to reduce screen time significantly. If you follow even a few of the steps, you will notice a huge reduction of your phone usage and increase in your productivity. I'm happy that I use my phone less. Instead, I can create video on my YouTube channel, read books, watch interesting movies, grow my business, or just relax more. You will be thankful later if you made a significant progress towards your goals. Trust me. And if you have more tips which can help you reduce screen time, just share them in the comments, like, subscribe and see you in the next video. Bye.